This nursery is so big, they got street signs just in case you get lost. Everything goes better with flowers. That is a nice way to fix your door frame. There we are. A water fountain with your flowers around it. Makes them pretty decor. I've heard of the coat of many colors, but look at the flowers of many colors. This place is beautiful. It's a nursery. In fact, they have sections in this nursery set up. This is the carnivorous section. Right next to carnivorous is bonsai section. Beautiful. Now here is the driftwood section. And they also have the little plants, the different plants that goes with it. Air plants, whatever. This is the cactus and succulent section. And they have a selection, all set out, looking good. And here's more succulents set up, ready to go. They have this nursery set up. Now, here's the main cactus and succulents. Look at them. That's quite a selection. And for these plant lovers who is little bitty, itty bitty, I want you to see this. They have most any kind that you can think of. Look at that. They got them in little pots. They're beautiful. They also have a fruit and citrus section. It's kind of hard to show on a short, but blueberries, all your citrus, I mean different citrus, lemons, etc., fig trees, blackberry trees, they're all right here. You can have color and water. It makes a beautiful decoration. You can have a fountain set up with a lot of greenery, not a lot of color, but it still looks good. You can have a fountain set up with greenery and just a little color, and it looks really good. They have sections for itty bitty plants, little bonsais. Aren't they beautiful? And for those who like pineapples, you're looking at them, they got some babies, but they coming on. Here again is another itty bitty selection. Take your itty bitty plants, stack them on pots. It's, it's your imagination. I'm talking about color. Notice the different colors.